Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Going up towards town now. Seems to be quite a few people about this afternoon. Saturday afternoon, of course. I'm going to try putting a video up a day now and see if I get more people on doing that. Now it's just been over Christmas or what, but the numbers have dropped a bit. So, I'll have a look round anyway. Yeah, I'm going to go back towards town. Just like to say, well, I'm sober now. Thanks for all your support this year, guys. Don't forget, the channel will be nothing if it wasn't for you guys subscribing, watching a few of them adverts, donated. Brilliant. We'll keep it going as long as we can. Happy New Year to you all, of course. Already on the 2nd of January. Oh. And see that big 6-0 coming now. On the 24th. You should be up to 60 then. God, where's all the time gone? With Benidorm now, they will leave all the Christmas stuff up to the end of the month. The end of January, that's when they take theirs down. Hey boys, here we are in town now. Back on Marcus' camera again, mine's run out again. Yeah, I thought we'd got a problem with the filming the other day. Turns out it was the old computer I'm using. So hopefully that'll be away now. No problems there. Really not so busy up here. And coming up on the front, there was quite a lot of people out walking, just locals, but a few sat in the bars. And it's not that warm. It was warm earlier. That sun's gone down, so lost a few degrees. Is it any harder for you guys coming over now? Here out of the EU? Have you looked into it? And what's going on with the new passports? Can you use your old ones till they're finished, or are you just going to go straight for new passports? We've got a bit more paperwork to sort out our end now. I'm just going to put a few more videos on the other channel, Benidorm Bull. We'll start bringing that up now, see what we can do with that this year. Hopefully. Not many videos on there at the moment. I'm going to start putting a few up. Saturday afternoon in town, eh? 2nd of January. Just getting ready to start all over again now. Couple of months, get the holiday seasons there. Hopefully you'll all be able to come this year. Maybe a bumper season for Benidorm this year. We can get this forest sorted out. This is where all these guys can hang on till it starts and then start making some money again, hopefully. Shouldn't be this easy walking down here. It's really quiet in town. Not like the UK over here though. Saturday afternoon is not the busiest time. It's about 14, 16 degrees. We're going to have a look in a minute. Down the bottom. It was warmer earlier when the sun was out. Now the sun's gone down. It's gone pretty cold. Oh, cold, but cooler. A lot of shops closed at the moment. It's probably because of the siesta. I think some of them don't bother opening again on Saturday. Thinking about that's probably why town's a bit quiet. You still forget about that. Still forget about the shops on Sundays as well. Usually the supermarket at Bias is shut on Sunday. That's coming from the UK. But usually supermarkets open all the time, isn't they? Especially on Sundays. Five to 4 nearly. Let's see if it puts the temperature up. $10 degrees. No wonder we thought it was cold. Okay guys, gonna leave the video here. Like and subscribe as normal. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bring you lots more videos from Benidorm. Better videos when everything starts opening up again, hopefully. Okay, like I say, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.